This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Phyllis Scarberry. As you step inside this meticulously maintained residence, you are welcomed by breathtaking water views that span the entire back of the home. Sliding glass doors open wide to let the outside in. Every room offers functional upgrades with great attention to detail. This custom-designed kitchen features wooden pull-out cabinet organizers, stainless steel doors, and real marble countertops. The pantry and all closets provide ample storage with sturdy custom-built shelving and drawers. Both bathrooms have been upgraded with luxurious finishes, including a spacious jetted tub in the primary. The fenced enclosure beside the screened pool area is perfect for children and pets. Full hurricane protection and security system for your comfort. This beautiful home is ready for you to move right in. For more information, review the details below.